transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Bexar County Sheriff's Office is searching for Jaya Elani Trevino, white, female, 2 years old, birthday of December 30th, 2016, 3 feet tall, 26 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, and pink t-shirt with pink and purple lettering of Big Sister and a pamper. Police are looking for Juan Trevino, white, male, 33 years old, birthday of August 25th, 1986, 5 feet 7 inches tall, 180 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes and white cap, black jacket, blue Nike t-shirt, blue jeans, and white shoes, connected with her abduction. The suspect is driving a black 2014 Nissan Sentra with a Texas license plate number. The suspect was last heard from in San Antonio, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child is in immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Bexar County. Not expected during the next 5 days.
Here's this alert that I got.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a missing endangered child alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Hondo Police Department is searching for Eva Marie Garcia, white female, 14 years old, born August 29th, 2005, 5 feet 2 inches, 110 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, black and white shirt, black shorts, pink sandals. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Hondo Police Department. News media point of contact is Hondo Police Department at 830-741-6153. The Laredo Climate Summary is at 4 p.m., November 13th, 2019.
Brown hair, brown eyes, a black and white shirt,
Guys,
black
this
shorts,
happened.
and pink sandals.
EAS number 4.
Law enforcement
Gulf of
officials believe
Mexico,
this child to be in
Texas.
grave or immediate
Man, that
danger.
freaks me
If you
out.
have any information regarding this abduction, call the Hondo Police Department. Their number is 830-741-6153.
Here we go.
The Amber Alert was cancelled a week later, but she was not found. She is still out there. The question is she dead or alive? Leave your theories down in the comments. Updates and news media links in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Wanna see more of my content? Please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified. Until next time, I'll see you all later.